With the advancing technology, nowadays lots of things can be replaced with the new technology. It is true for lots of electronic devices that we now using. One of them is the projector. The projector can be replaced by a laser projector. The laser projector is actually a new kind of product which is made to make people easier when watching a movie or playing a game. This type of projector has many advantages and also some disadvantages that we need to understand before buying it. With no further ado, let us check out the 5 best laser projectors this year.
How to put the laser cinema into your pocket. First, you need a cinematic quality laser projector that is 200% brighter than traditional LED projectors of the same size. Second, it's gotta be thin enough to fit in your pocket to go anywhere you want. Introducing WEMAX Go, the thinnest laser projector in the world. With ALPD laser source and TIDLP technology, WEMAX Go is the brightest projector for its size and the thinnest for its NZ lumens. More than 23,000 laser theater halls around the world apply the ALPD technology to deliver the best visual experience. Looks like a TV? Yes, but it's laser projector with a cinematic color standard and its high NZ lumens. You still can play games even during the daytime with open windows. It feels like you're playing games in Meta Universe. The laser source can last for over 25,000 hours. Looks like a power bank? Yes, but it's laser projector. It is almost the same size as your phone. What's more, WEMAX Go is a power saving. You can watch movies for 4 hours when connected to a power bank only. Think that's all? No, it's also the best pelt to your smartphone. Screen mirroring anything with ease via WEMAX Go. Learn new dance moves. Enjoy a bigger screen viewing experience in your car. Want to check the stock market in real time? Open the WEMAX Go, and you won't miss your chance to make a profit. With free Roku, you have access to 500,000 movies and TV series at ease. Want to watch football games? Easy! This is WEMAX Go on Indiegogo today. What are you waiting for?
Alexa, turn on living room lights.
With Samsung's latest innovation, you can bring the magic of cinema into your home. The Premier Laser Projector gives you a brilliant 130-inch picture without a screen. It's just the wall.
Sorry, who are you?
It's just so simple, you can move it around the house.
Excuse me.
Go.
Movie time. The apps are already built in, so you can stream your favourite films and TV. Okay, movie time over.
Oh, what?
Just eat your chips.
Your mum's weird. That's not our mum.
With 4K resolution, these nerds can do this for hours. Sorry guys, game over.
Excuse me. could you leave our house, please?
Sure. Create your own private cinema with the Premiere from Samsung. Oh, okay. Well, enjoy your night.
Create ultra-bright, larger-than-life laser displays with Epson's brightest fixed-lens projectors. The PowerLite L series creates a breathtaking experience for your audience. With 8 models to choose from, these compact and powerful laser projectors offer up to 7,000 lumens of equal color and white brightness, with 3-chip 3LCD image quality. And with full HD WXGA resolution, your audience can see true-to-life images. Enhance spaces with large and captivating displays by projecting up to 500 inches from a single projector. Display ultra-wide 16:6 images that cover a large wall. Plus, you have the option to use split screen for side-by-side projection from multiple inputs at the same time. The PowerLite L series provides the largest maximum image size among 3LCD fixed-lens laser projectors. Designed for easy integration, these projectors include a virtually maintenance-free 20,000-hour laser light source and easy-to-use tools for simplified installation. Featuring 360-degree flexibility, built-in lens shift, edge blending, geometric correction tools, HD-based T and more. With built-in wireless networking on select models, you can display content from a PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, and Android mobile devices, or connect with Miracast. The PowerLite L series laser projectors are designed for many applications, from education to corporate and experiential. Redefine projection and captivate your audience with the powerful and compact PowerLite L series laser projectors, only from Epson.